Here's our fire. Here's your dad. He's taking a picture of the fire too. It's really going.
Can you feel the heat?
Yeah, can you feel the heat?
What are you doing?
Recording you and what you're doing. That's you, Lori. That's what he's doing. Well, there's my chair over there. Fire. You see all circles of it. Okay.
The other day when we had this big fire and everybody was talking, picking up everybody.
Okay. That was the tree. That's just about all the way around. There. You gotta see all the way around.